we're gonna try something. So I have my pickled nectarines. Now I'm pretty sure a lot of people know what Tajin is, right? It's like a lime chili seasoning. Well, I found this at the store. Tajin now has a chamoy. It's basically a fruity hot sauce. For people who are familiar with the Hawaiian Islands, I got Li-Hing. This is basically dried salty plum in powdered form. Never stick your hands in the pickle jar. That's just nasty. Alright. Let's try it with Tajin. Yes! Now let's try it with chamoy. How about we try it with Tajin and chamoy? Oh, I should have put... Oh! Yes! Some people say Li-Hing is like the Hawaiian version of Tajin. I kinda agree. What do you guys think? Alright, let's try it out. Yeah, baby! There's so many flavors. It's so good. Okay, one more.